In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign with Excel in just 5 minutes. We'll take you through the entire process step by step so you can manage your electronic signatures with ease. Whether you're handling professional documents or just need a digital signature, this guide will help streamline your tasks. First, let's get started by heading over to Docusign's website. Docusign is renowned as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. It provides a secure and easy way to sign and send documents, making your workflow much more efficient. So open your web browser and type in Docusign. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Docusign account. If you don't already have an account, you will need to sign up, which is a relatively straightforward process. Once you've successfully logged in, proceed to the Docusign homepage by navigating to Home in the app's main dashboard. This home area is where you will manage all your document transactions and templates. Now that you're on the homepage, let's select a template. Using templates can save you time as they are pre-configured and can be reused, making the signing process faster and more organized. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs, or you can choose to create a new one that matches the specifics of your Excel document. Once you have the appropriate template, the next step is to upload your Excel file. Locate the upload button on the template page, click on upload, which will prompt you to choose the Excel file you wish to send for signing. Make sure your Excel file is ready and correctly formatted before uploading to avoid any issues during the signing process. After selecting your Excel document, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll have the opportunity to specify where signatures, initials, or any other required information should be placed on your Excel document. Double check everything to ensure you've arranged the document as needed. Finally, send your document for signing. All that's left is to enter the recipient's information and add a brief message if needed. Once everything is set, you can hit the send button and your document will be on its way for signing. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded and prepared an Excel document for digital signing using Docusign. This capability not only helps save paper, but also streamlines the signing process, making it easier and more secure for you and your recipients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Happy signing!